Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to disable Extended Diagnostics Data Microsoft Teams on computer. So how to disable Extended Diagnostics Data Microsoft Teams on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go straight to Microsoft Teams on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Teams. To disable Extended Diagnostics data, just point the cursor to the upper right corner of the screen. Here there is a three-dot icon. And tap. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap the Settings menu. Now here you are in the Settings menu. Go to the Privacy menu. This is already in the Privacy menu. Tap Extended Diagnostics Data to disable it. By disabling this feature, prevent Teams from sending additional data, limiting the information collected to basic data only, which can improve user privacy. So that's it, tutorial how to disable Extended Diagnostics Data Microsoft Teams on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.